Hola amigos, welcome to Read and Create Dynamite. My name is Blanca Guzman and I work for the Scott County Library. Today, we are going to share a song, a rhyme, some dinosaur play figures, and a story featuring all about dinosaurs. Remember, you can pick up your Read and Create kit at your local Scott County Library, Minnesota. They are available starting this week, November 15th, and are available first come, first serve. The kit will include 2-color your own mini dinosaurs, an early literacy activity sheet that you can also find at www.scottlib.org, and a dinosaur size sort activity. Our song this week is Dino Ditty, and it's with the tune of Do What Diddy. You are always welcome to take a song you are familiar with or familiar to and just change the words. If you know this song, follow along with me. Here he comes, just a stomping with his feet, singing Dino Ditty Ditty Dum Ditty Do. Looking around for something good to eat, singing Dino Ditty Ditty Dum Ditty Do. He's huge, he's strong, won't be hungry very long, singing Dino Ditty Ditty Dum Ditty Do, singing Dino Ditty Ditty Dum Ditty Do. Here he comes, stomping with his feet, singing Dino Ditty Ditty Dum Ditty Do. Looking around for something good to eat, singing Dino Ditty Ditty Dum Ditty Do. He's huge, he's strong, won't be hungry very long, singing Dino Ditty Ditty Dum Ditty Do, singing Dino Ditty Ditty Dum Ditty Do. The story for this week is We Are the Dinosaurs, written by Lori Berkner and illustrated by Ben Clanton. And it's read with permission from Simon and Schuster's Publishers. Goodbye, Ernesto. Bye, Dax. Have fun, little hatchlings. We are the dinosaurs. Let's go, Dax. Marching. We are the dinosaurs. What do you think of that? Olive, ready to march? Count me in. We are the dinosaurs, marching. We are the dinosaurs. Ready to go, Sasha? For sure. Floyd is coming too. Sasha loves marching. I certainly hope the rest along the way. We make the earth flat. Rump, run away. Eek, stomp. We make the earth flat. Trump. Phew, stomp. Made it. We stop and eat our food when we're in the mood. Munch, yum. We stop and eat our food on the ground. We stop and eat our food. Nibble, munch, crunch, delish. When we're in the mood, we stop and eat our food. Slurp, num. And then we march around, or fly around, or swim. 'Cause we are the dinosaurs marching. This mountain, it's huge. We are the dinosaurs. What do you think of that? Rumble. What is that? Let's find out. Um, we are the dinosaurs marching, marching. We are the dinosaurs. We make the earth flat. We make the earth flat. Look, a cave. Oh, thanks, dude. We stop and take a rest over in our nest. We stop and take a rest at the end of the day. We stop and take a rest over in our nest. Rumble. We stop and take a rest, and then you'll hear us say, rumble, rumble, rumble. Wake up, dinosaurs! Uh-oh, time to go. We are the dinosaurs marching, marching. We are the dinosaurs. What do you think of that? We are the dinosaurs marching, marching. We are the dinosaurs. We make the earth flat. This is cool. Stomp, stomp. Trump, splish, splash. We make the earth flat. We slept in a cave. We ran all the way down. It was rad, Dad. You should have been there, Mom. I was so brave. And then we roar. Why? Because we are the dinosaurs. Roar. The end. Our rhyme this week is We Are the Dinosaurs. If you are ready, follow along with me. Oh, we are the dinosaurs, the dinosaurs, the dinosaurs. Oh, we are the dinosaurs, and this is what we do. The Stegosaurus has big spikes, has big spikes, has big spikes. The Stegosaurus back has big spikes on its back and tail. The pterodactyl likes to fly, likes to fly, likes to fly. The pterodactyl likes to fly, swooping through the trees. Oh, we are the dinosaurs, the dinosaurs, the dinosaurs. Oh, we are the dinosaurs, and we like to roar. The Diplodocus likes to eat, like to eat, likes to eat. The Diplodocus likes to eat all the green leaves. The Velociraptor has the claws, has the claws, has the claws. The Velociraptor has the claws. He snaps all day long. Oh, we are the dinosaurs, the dinosaurs, the dinosaurs. Oh, we are the dinosaurs, and we like to roar. The T-Rex likes to chomp its teeth, chomp its teeth, chomp its teeth. The T-Rex likes to chomp its teeth all day long. The Triceratops, they have big horns, have big horns, have big horns. The Triceratops has big horns. How many do you see? 1, 2, 3. 3. Oh, we are the dinosaurs, the dinosaurs, the dinosaurs. Oh, we are the dinosaurs, and we like to roar. Our early literacy practice for this week is talk. Children learn about language by listening and talking. Talk as you play. Choose books with interesting words and subjects. Strive for 5 responses. Back and forth conversations. For this activity, we're going to decorate and cut out our dinosaur shapes on the cardstock page that was in our kit. We will need some scissors, but children, we're going to ask our guardian or parent to help us cut our dinosaurs today. And we're going to need our coloring utensils. It can either be crayons, markers, or color pencils. But today I'm going to be using crayons. First, we're going to color in our dinosaurs with whatever color we want to use. Now that we colored all of our dinosaurs, I colored mine a purple, red, orange, blue, and green. Caregivers, parents, let your child use child-safe scissors to develop and practice their cutting skills. We are going to cut our dinosaurs following the black lines. Helping our children cut helps develop their fine motor skills to use tools such as crayons, paintbrushes, and scissors. Now that we've cut them all, let's put them from biggest to smallest. So our green dinosaur, my purple, my red, and blue. And we can also put them smallest to largest.